Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's provide solution very quickly. Here we have given x plus y equal to 8, okay, and xy equal to 48. First step we are going to do here, this is a simultaneous equation. Now we are going to make x as subject of the formula. Here x will be equal to, okay, will be equal to 8 minus y, right? Then if you have value of x which is equal to 8 minus y, is going to replace the value of x we have here, to mean that here x will be equal to 8 minus y, then times y, which equal to 48, right? Then y is going to multiply inside here in the bracket. 8 times y is equal to 8y, then minus y squared, which equal to 48, right? By rearranging, we'll have negative y squared plus 8y, then this one minus 48, which equal to 0. Then here we can multiply negative to get y squared plus minus 8y plus 48, which equal to 0, right? So here we can say that two numbers you can multiply to get 48 and their sum is equal to 8. Are they? So let us try to use this is a quadratic equation. A formula of quadratic equation is equal to y, which equal to negative b plus or minus square root of, okay, square root of b squared minus 4ac, right, which equal to over 2a, right? Then y here will be equal to b, have 8. This will be equal to negative 8 is equal to 8, then plus or minus square root of 8 squared is equal to 64, then minus 4 times 1 times 48 over 2, right? So this will be equal to y, which is equal to 8, then minus, okay, 8 minus plus or minus square root of 64, then minus 4 times 48 is equal to 192, right, which equal to over 2, right? Then y here will be equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 192, 64 minus 192, this is equal to 92 minus 64, 128 negative over 2, right? Yes, this will be equal to y, which equal to 8 plus or minus sort of 128, then times sort of negative 1 over 2, okay? Then y will be equal to 8 plus or minus sort of 81 is equal to, this is not perfect square, we are going to find some perfect square including this number 64 times 2, then square root of I is equal negative 1 is equal to I over 2, right? Then y will be equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 is equal to 8 square root of 2, then I over a 2, right? By factorization, y will be equal to by 2 here outside to get 4 plus or minus 4, then I square root of 2, okay, over a 2. This will be cancelled to get y, which is equal to 4 plus or minus 4i square root of a 2, right? Then we are going to find the values of x, right? By finding the value of x, this will be equal to y equal to 4 plus 4i square root of 2, or 4 minus 4i square root of 2, right? Then x here will be equal to 8 minus 4 plus 4i square root of a 2, right? Then here x will be equal to 8 minus 4 minus 4i square root of 2, right? And here x will be equal to 8 minus 8. This is equal to 4, sorry. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4 I square root of a 2. Okay? To mean that first solution is we will have x which is equal to 4 minus 4i square root of a 2 when y equal to 4 plus 4i square root of a 2, right? So equation 2 will be equal to if or when y equal to 4 minus 4i square root of a 2, x will be equal to 8 minus, right? 80 minus this one, 4 minus 4i square root of a 2. Then here x will be equal to 8 minus 4 plus 4i square root of a 2, right? Then x here will be equal to 4, right, plus 4i square root of a 2, right? So another one will be equal to x is, it will be equal to 4 plus 4i square root of a 2 when y will be equal to 4 minus 4i square root of a 2. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.